Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see unsent message in Messenger. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Messenger application, then at the top left you need to click on the three lines button, and then at the top right you need to click on the settings button. After that you will see this list of options. You need to click on the notifications and sounds. And then you need to make sure you enabled notifications. So if these options are disabled, you need to enable them. So it is very important. After that, you need to go back to your home page, and then you need to make sure you enabled notifications on your iPhone settings. So open your iPhone settings application, then scroll down and click on the notifications option. Then in this list of applications, you need to find Messenger, and then click on that. Here it is. And then you need to make sure you allowed notifications here. So allow notification, and then if someone sent you a message, it will pop up with a notification including the whole message. So you can actually swipe down from the top left corner, and then in this interface you will see this message, this notification including the whole message, so you can actually see the message. And that's all, and that's how to see unsent message in Messenger. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.